Subscribers. In this video, I want to show you, this is kind of a fun thing to set up, but where you just put a data tag in. And what I've done is I have data plate. You just hit the camera emoji and then you can drop a picture in. So it's really nice. And then I made a little texture placement so I could furnace or boiler or heat pump or whatever. This one's obviously a water heater, but you get the you get the gist. So I'll show you how you build one of those if you want to build one. So I'll make another one adjacent. Well, it'll be at the bottom here. So we'll edit the section, and I'm going to add a new field, right? But you edit it with this, up here, right? The three dots and edit section. And then you come down and add a field, and up here in field name, we'll say data plate. And then just to get an emoji on a Windows computer, you hit the Windows and a period key. And then I like to use just a little emoji of a camera. It's just, you need something to attach to it, and that's kind of simple. So that's step one, is I built a little thing, little camera emoji. So now I want to make a little observation, and I like to use often my descriptive modifier, and we'll call this data tag. Something like that. If you want, you could do like a little bold and blue top, whatever. You can do whatever you want here. And then we're going to come up to data tag and select the camera. And then I can't connect this to that without saving it to the library first. So I'm going to add it to the library. So now I've got a new comment in my library. I've got a new little field, and I've got the camera emoji showing. And then I'll come up here and connect to fields. And it looks like I've got two, so we'll hit that bottom one. I think that's going to be this one. We'll delete this and delete that, and then we can click on it. And oh, I must have chose the wrong one. All right, let's do, there's my little comment, and so we'll connect it. Here, let's do this. This will be super clear if we uncheck that one. So boom, there you got it. And then you can drop your data tag in. So I hope that makes sense. That's just how you can build these little data plate things. There's no way to add them throughout the template other than just manually, like you'd build one. And then, of course, if you want to resequence it, you could edit this section and grab these little equal signs, and you could drag it around up here. Then you'd have it up there, and then I'm using the modifier that's show next to connected field value, the descriptive modifier, and that's how I get it to stay here. So I'll just show you that. If you go under settings and observation modifiers, under the descriptive modifier, there's show next to connected field value. And if you have the modifier set for that, and you connect it to something like this data plate thing, then that's how you can get it to show up there. The other thing that's interesting is this one is orange, my one that I use. I don't have it as a required field because I don't know. I probably always have a data tag picture, but anyway, if we edit this one, I have this one as a recommended field, not a required field. If I turn it to required and hit save, then now that data plate will be red instead of orange. So, and then I'll edit this. I'm going to delete this one. So we'll highlight it and go ahead and delete it. And now that practice one is gone. All right. I hope this helps.